Hi Draw-So Cuties! Today we're going to draw a French Bulldog, so let's get started. To draw this French Bulldog, we're going to first start by drawing his nose. So we're going to come here and draw a curve for his little nose. Bring it around on both sides. And then we're just going to add a little dip right in the center. So just add a little dip and come back and connect it. And then if you want, you can color it in. I'm just going to come here and add a little highlight before I color it in. And then I'm just going to shade it in black. So there, got the nose in. And then from there, we're going to draw a straight line down from the center. So about right here. Just kind of straight line down. Say about that much. Make this a little bit more prominent. Okay, so then about that much, and then we're going to basically curve all the way around both sides. So about right there, I'm going to start to curve down. So let's do that for both sides so it's a little bit easier. Step by step. So that's the mouth, and we're going to go all the way around with this curve. So I'm just going to start about right here and go up. And I'm going to aim back for about right here. So I'll give myself a point. So I know where I'm going. Go all the way back to there. And then we're going to come back down for the other side. Go right there. And connect it. There. So we have the nose in, the snout area. And then let's finish the mouth. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And then you can come in here if you want, just add a little curve in there and just shade that part in. And then let's draw the eyes. So we're going to come in this area about right here and draw a circle. And same thing on this side. So about right here. There, so now we have the eyes in. We go ahead and make them Draw-So Cute eyes. So we come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. So if you love to draw dogs, please make sure to check out my Draw-So Cute dog playlist. And thank you for encouraging me to keep drawing these dogs for you. Dogs are just so much harder to draw for me than cats. I don't know why, but it's just harder. And so thank you for encouraging me to keep at it. And hopefully you guys are loving the dogs I've drawn so far. Okay, so lines at the bottom. So I got the eyes in. Let's come back in here. I'm just going to add 3 dots just to give it some detail for the whisker area. Aw, pretty cute, right? Okay, so then from there, we're basically going to start to draw the head. So you want to come about, say, right here towards the edge on both sides. And we're basically just going to draw a big curve all the way around. So I'm going to start, or if it's easier, let's see. I think, see how your hand likes, if you'd like to go up this way or down. So I'm going to go to the center, say about this high. And I'm going to start to draw a curve down. It's easier for me to go down. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'll do that for both sides, just so a little bit more even. And then I'm going to bring it around. So close to the eye area. And back to here. It's always much harder to draw when you're drawing big. There. So then same thing on this side. You come down, once again, about the same on both sides. And bring it back to there. There, I got the head in. And then let's come right here over the eye, draw a curve, kind of slanting down. And then you can add a little detail if you want. If you want to give it a stripe, some markings, this part's up to you. I'm just going to add right in the center. And then the ears. So I'm going to come right here, fix my curve. In this area right here, I'm going to add his ears. So I'm going to go up, kind of round it off, come down. And as I come down, I'm going to dip it in a little bit and come back out. And then right here, just add a little curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to drag a point across, about right there, and drag another point so you know where your ear should end approximately. And from there, we're going to go up. So I'm just going to drag another point across so I know approximately, say about right here. Round it off just like the other side. And once again, dip and come back right here. And so once again, the inside of the ear with a curve. There, so I got his head in. Now let's draw his little compact body. I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to draw his chest area first. So they have very short, stout bodies. So I'm going to come about right here where his snout is. And I'm just going to draw a curve for his chest. And I'll just stop up right there and build his back first. So kind of towards the, about right here, center of the head area. Draw a curve down for his back. And bring this down a little bit more. And let's work on this. I'm going to bring it in a little bit more. So about in this area, kind of under the snout right here, I'm going to start with the first leg, front leg. So it's just a curve. And about right here, follow my curve and then I'll connect it. So I'm just simplifying the legs, make it a little bit easier to draw. So same thing over here for the other leg. So about right here. We're just basically kind of drawing like this one. So we about want the same width. And connect it. You can add two little lines here for the paws right there. And then let's continue this curve right here for the tummy. And now the back legs. So I'm going to bring this curve all the way down, right there. And in this area right here, I'm going to draw a curve for the back leg and jump down and connect. And so then I'm going to draw a back one right here. And the toes. There. Hope that made that a little bit easy for you to follow. So just want a short, compact little body. And then right here, you can add a little tail if you want. I think it's just like a little nub. So I'll just add a little curve like that. And then of course, because it's a Draw So Cute French Bulldog, I'm gonna add my heart right here on him. And I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys love this little French Bulldog. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.